Hello?
Hello.
Yes?
Yes.
Hello?
Am I talking to María Corina Machado?
Yes, this is María Corina.
Yes, María Corina. My name is Christian Berghardt Piken. I am the secretary of the Norwegian Nobel Committee in Oslo. And I'm calling to inform you that in a few minutes it shall be announced here at the Nobel Institute that you will be awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for 2025.
Oh my God.
So the warmest congratulations to you, Maria.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Well, I have no words. I thank you so much, but I hope you understand this is a movement. This is a achievement of a whole society. I am just one person. I certainly do not deserve this. Oh my God.
I think both the movement and you deserve it. So I'm sure this comes as a surprise, and I'm sorry to have to wake you up in the middle of the night to convey this. We don't have much time. We actually are making the announcement just in a few minutes. But I want to quote just shortly from the text that will be announced shortly, where it is said that you are receiving the prize for, and here I quote directly from the announcement, for her tireless work promoting democratic rights for the people of Venezuela and for her struggle to achieve a just and peaceful transition from dictatorship to democracy.
I'm honored, humbled. I am very grateful on behalf of the Venezuelan people. We're not there yet. We're working very hard to achieve it, but I'm sure that we will prevail, and this is certainly a biggest recognition to our people that certainly deserve it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I'm very happy to hear your reaction. I do have to ask you, Maria, not to reveal this in the next 5 minutes until the official announcement is made here in Oslo, which is at 11 o'clock a.m. local time, 5 o'clock your time. After that, of course, you are more than welcome to tell anyone you would like. And by experience, we know that the news will be out.
I think it'll take me a lot longer to believe what I've just heard. Wow. Well, thank you very much. It's an honor, and I know it's a recognition to our people, to the Venezuelan people. Thank you so much.
It certainly is, but it's also a recognition of yourself and what you have done. I look very much forward to speaking with you soon again.
Me too. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I am wordless, speechless, but thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.